Hi, in this video we will talk about a technique to get the data from a lookup table and then merge it to the main data frame. So for example, in this case we have a table which has name and gender codes, and then we have another table or data frame called lookup table which has just the codes and the gender names. And the idea is that we bring the gender names from this table and merge it back to the main table. So let's get started. We'll be using the package called dplyr. Let's build our data sets first. So I have two data sets. One is called my data, which just has two columns, the name and the gender code. And our second table, which is a lookup table, has two fields, the gender code and the gender name. So let's see how we can merge these two tables together and get the corresponding gender names into the first table. So I can write a command like this, saying that I want to use my first data set, and then I want to left join it with my lookup table data, and I want to use the gender codes. For example, this is the column called gender code, and in my lookup data table also I have the same column, which is 1 or 2. So based on, so 1 is male and 2 is female. And notice that we also have a value called 3, but we don't really have any value for 3 in this lookup table. So for that, we just want to replace it by unknown. So let's see what it does for us. So now we have another data set where we have the additional column. So 1 is for male, 2 is for female, and there was also a column value called 3, which has been replaced by unknown. So I'm going to show you another scenario where the column names are not same across both the tables. For example, in my first data set, the code is called gender code, whereas in the second data set or the lookup table data set, I have the code as G code. So let's see what I mean by that. So if you look at my data, you have gender code there, and in my second table we have G code. We can also match it by saying that I still want to do the same left join and say I want to use the gender code from the first data set, which is given here, and I want to match it with the second data set's column called G code, which is this. And if I run it, I'll get the same results. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.